today we got some contacts. I've reviewed a couple other contacts before, and if you don't know, I'm really new to contacts, but I'm starting to get a hang of them. I'm starting to get an idea of what I like and I don't like. I've actually recorded this video before, but the lighting was bad and I wasn't really feeling good, so I decided to re-record this so at least I'm not all snotty-nosed and sneezing. So anyways, this is Cocosusie. I do have a code. They are working with me and they did send these to me because, again, like I said, I'm new to contacts and this is an experience for me. They are FDA approved. I feel like that's a pretty general thing for contacts at this point. If you've experienced any contacts that aren't FDA approved, I would kind of want to know about it and what your experience was, just because I haven't really heard of anyone not being it, but I do think that is important and crucial in contacts. They did send these little kits right here for your contacts. I think these are really cute. Like the traditional contact case, you have to screw them on and off. This one is not. You just pop it open, put your contacts in, your solution. It has the little gadgets here, and you just close it. And this is the box it comes in. Now I've taken them all out of the box and I have them all soaking in solution. They did recommend soaking it prior to use. I cannot remember the exact hours they said. I soaked mine for like 2 days to be sure. I really like these because I found that they were very vibrant on my eyes and you can really see them, whereas in some contacts aren't really made for dark eyes and you can't really see them even if they're a bright color. So I will show you the packaging here. I do cut the ends off. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, so like this one is blue. And you can see here I cut the ends off because I like to keep that with my contacts so that I know which ones I like and which ones I want to reorder and that sort of thing. But this is the packaging. They have them individually in each box. I am a sucker for cute packaging and this is super cute, so I definitely fell in love with that. The other color here we have is green, which was packaged the same but still loving the box style. And the last one I got was gray, which is right here. Because I feel like those three colors are the ones I like most on my eyes because they're different. Because I do have dark brown eyes. I don't really want something still in the brown family, but sometimes I kind of do. I've seen a few colors that I like that are kind of still in the brown family that I like. I will have pictures up for you so that you can see what I look like in each color. They do come packaged like this. And like I said, they're all empty. They do include the instructions, of course, which is important, all the vital information that you usually use. So we are going to go ahead and put some on. I usually like to use like the bright green. I really like the gray. I'll show you. I put them in a different case because I have this case that I use that holds them all together and it keeps it from being all over my countertop. I mean, I like these for like travel. The other is kind of, you know, my everyday thing. I know that's extra, but you know, it wouldn't be me otherwise. So you can see in these cases, let me make sure they're good and tight before I lift them up. This is what the gray ones look like. These are the blue ones and these are the green ones. I think for today I want to go with blue because I want you to see how well they pop on my eyes, and green and red kind of feels Christmassy and Christmas is already past. So let's try the blue ones on today. I guess it's not really trying for me, it's trying for you. I want you to see how great these are. Okay, so my eyes are a little bit sensitive, so they get really watery. They're not irritated or anything, they just get really watery. But you could see the difference right here. See how dark my eye is and see how light that makes it look. Like, I am super impressed with how bright and vibrant it looks. Some people say I look a little freaky with it, but others love it, so it's personal opinion. But I personally love it because I always wanted to see what I look like with bright eyes, and I get to actually see it in these contacts, so I do love that. So let's go put the other one in. Okay, I'm gonna show you this real quick. I actually have this one in backwards, and I'm gonna take it out and fix it, but I do want you to see it, because if you can see the colors, they're slightly different. This one has more prominent features, this one doesn't. It also really feels kind of weird on my eye. So if you're putting them in and you notice one feels kind of off, and then you look really closely and you see that there are different features not sticking out, you put your contact in wrong and you need to fix it. Okay, so I got them both in correct now. You can see up close that the features on the eyelids are exactly the same now. They look the same, they feel the same, they are completely comfortable to wear. I absolutely do love these contacts. I would love to know your thoughts down below of these. Is this something you're going to try out? I do have a code for them if you are interested. I will have the code available down below for you. Anyways, that is it of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like it. Want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.